Hello folks, this is Ivan here again. Today I'm here in front of fresh install of Linux Mint, and I'm gonna show you how to activate the numlock at the boot. A lot of people don't know how to do it. Now I'm gonna show you. So let's do it. Let's restart. This is the group we're gonna talk more about in the next video on how to configure. How to fine tune. See, that's the login screen. And if you try to use your numeric keyboard, it won't work. You have to enable it so it will work. So we're gonna show you how to do it. You can close the screen. We open the terminal, update. Gonna ask for my password. It's going to tell me there's a lot of packages to be upgraded. We are going to get to that in the next video. But for now, we're going to just focus on activate the numlock. apt install numlock x. That's it. We can close it. We go to menu, administration, login window. Once again, into authenticate, settings. We are gonna use this option, activate numlock. Then we close it. Let's boot it again so you can see it's working without any tweaks. Now I just type my password without activating lock because it's already activated, and that's it. That's it. Hope you like it. Subscribe and like the video, and be prepared for the next video, which is I'm gonna show you how to do a useful day-by-day workstation with Linux Mint using only free software. Thank you.